Who's the best player?
No, you have to introduce me. Everyone might not know who
No,
I
you got to
am.
introduce yourself.
Okay. Wayne Hennessey, goalkeeper, Crystal Palace and Wales.
Who's your favourite current Welsh player?
Definitely not Joseph Ledley. Current player is current player.
Current.
Gareth Bale.
Okay.
Is that point of view?
Favourite Welsh game you've ever played in?
This might sound stupid, but it has to be yesterday.
Why?
Honestly, losing 2-0, but we actually qualified because of the celebrations at the end. What are you on my beer, I beg? Joe!
Who's the best roommate you've ever had?
I'm technically at the moment I'm rooming with Joseph Ledley, but I've asked Mark Evans if I can live on my own.
Okay. Do you or do you
Because
not?
I haven't finished, because he brings nothing to the table. I have to bring everything: phone chargers, DVDs. We like to have a little bit of sweets now and again, some biscuits.
Is it true?
I haven't finished. Also, banter. The list can go on, like shower gel, shampoos, toothpaste. I'm sure he'd try and use my toothbrush if he had a chance. He's just horrendous.
Okay, and is it true?
So I'm going to go on my own. I've asked Mark Evans.
Well, I think that's it. Wait, anything else you'd like to say? Or?
No, Joseph. Does that tick all the boxes for you, Joseph?
Yeah.